With the advent of the media revolution, we are witnessing an unprecedented exchange of information around us. This giant leap has afforded us the opportunity to explore frontiers as yet unexplored and potentials not yet realized. Cultural boundaries are being broken and a new global culture has emerged. Nothing can be done to stop this advancement, nor is there any need to do so. However, there is one dire need: protecting the heart from impurities by shielding the eyes from contamination. The speed with which bits, bytes, and photons continue to traverse the mind, heart, and soul is mind-boggling. One may not even begin to grasp what is happening until it is too late. In the humdrum of TV, internet, and satellite channels, while hunting for entertainment, one may end up forsaking one's inner purity without realizing what has been lost. The faculty of sight is vital. Its effect on the heart is the most potent. If proper vigilance is not maintained, the eyes may still remain lit, but the soul will be engulfed in desolate darkness. Almost 2 millenniums ago, Jesus had warned. You have heard that it was said, "Do not commit adultery." But I tell you that anyone who looks at a woman lustfully has already committed adultery with her in his heart. Let us guard our gazes to preserve our inner purity.